How to save and open the project. First, launch the Calendar Creator app. Choose Create from Scratch option and hit the Finish button. Double-click inside a date box, then Add Event windows will open. In Add Event windows, click on OK button, then an event will be added in selected date box. Open File menu. Choose Save Collection As. A new windows will open. Now provide the project name and path for your project where you want to save it. After providing the project name and path, click on Save button. A success message will appear regarding your project saving, so click on OK in Success Message dialog box. Refresh the app from File menu. Click on Cross button in Welcome Windows. Click on Open icon. Choose that directory where you saved the project or choose that directory where you have projects. After choosing your project file, click on Open. Project will open successfully. Thanks for watching.